eloquence. So this is also a unique way to prove the guidance of Islam. And the final point I'll mention, that with that I conclude, every time I speak to a non-Muslim, I always say one thing. Listen, there's one thing both of us can do, we're not going to lose anything by doing it. And that is, if there is a God, surely He knows about you and He cares about you. Why don't you pray to Him? Without even mentioning a name. Don't say Allah, don't say Yahweh, don't say any name. Just say with your heart, from your heart, O you who created me, O you who created me, I appeal to you to guide me to the straight path. And I say to this non-Muslim that don't worry, I will also pray just like you're praying. In fact, I'll pray more than 30 times a day. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. I make this dua more than 30 times a day. So I tell this non-Muslim, look, let's the both of us make this prayer from the depths of our heart, sincerely, that the Creator will guide us. And if there is a Creator, and I believe there is, and if this person is sincere, and that's up to the person and Allah Azza wa Jall's guidance, then we believe every sincere person will eventually be guided to Islam. Allah Azza wa Jall does not misguide the one who is sincere. Our job is to show the road, our job is to show the way, and it is up to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for hisab. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us of those who are rightly guided and rightly guide others. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.